Hey guys, welcome to our channel Student Impulse, a unique channel to help job seekers, both freshers and experienced professionals. It is also helps the students to get to know what the skill set they have to improve during their studies, which lands them a dream job after their education.
In this video, I am going to share some of the latest job openings in Lucknow location. So let's discuss one by one. Attention, please don't pay money for any kind of job. Firstly, there is a job vacancy for Measurement and Learning Coordinator position from Public Health Foundation of India. It is located in Lucknow location, Uttar Pradesh. For this position, 1 to 2 years of experience is needed in program monitoring or program data analysis experience. So coming to education qualifications, master's levels degree are equivalent in relevant fields such as health, public health, demography or statistics is needed, and desirable is PhD relevant fields such as health, public health and demography or statistics. So they are asking for all the qualifications mentioned here. Interested candidates, you can send your CVs to the provided email ID, and if you visit this website, you will get more detailed information about the job opening. Next, there is a job vacancy for Hindi teacher from Military Defense Academy. They need a requirement of Hindi teachers for all competitive exams. Interested candidates, you can contact them with the given phone number, that is 9451223016. Next, there is a vacancy for computer operator cum office assistant position from NH Legacy Private Limited, located in Lucknow location, Uttar Pradesh. They are offering a salary for this position is 8,000 to 10,000 rupees per month. They need a candidate with good knowledge of MS Office and Hindi typing. So interested candidates, you can contact them with the given phone number, that is 9838505608. Next, there is a vacancy for academic coordinator position from My Mentor, located in Lucknow, Uttar Pradesh. They are offering a salary range between 8,000 to 15,000 rupees per month. You please check with the job description and as well as with the responsibilities needed for this position. Interested candidates, you can approach them with the given phone number, that is 9129888503. Next, there is a vacancy for program coordinator from UPNRHM, located in Lucknow. They are offering a salary for this position is 30,000 rupees per month. Only two vacancies are available. 3 to 5 years of experience is needed for this position. Coming to educational qualification details, MSc, MBA or PGDM or MPH. These are the education qualification details. Last date to apply for this position is 14th February 2021. Interested candidates, you can check in the website given here and get more detailed information, that is how to apply for this position and how will be the selection procedure and all you will get in the website provided here. Next, there is a vacancy for MIS executive from Potsley Management Private Limited, located in Lucknow location. They are offering a salary for this position is 20,000 to 22,000 rupees per month. Coming to job description, the candidate should be excellent in advanced Excel, need to prepare various reports on daily, weekly and monthly basis, excellent communication skill, should know all the formulas in Excel. So this is the job description. Interested candidates, you can contact them with the given phone number, that is 8601194444. Next, there is a vacancy for back office executive position from Bharat Info System, located in Lucknow. They are offering a salary for this position is 8,000 to 10,000 rupees per month. And freshers and both experienced candidates both can apply for this position. Work role will be ads posting, calling and emails. You please check with the all details provided here. Interested candidates, you can contact with the given phone number, that is 8737054772. So there is a vacancy for database administrator position from BSN Infotech Private Limited. So you please check with the job summary and as well as with the responsibilities and the skills needed for this position. For additional information, you can contact with the given phone number, that is 96016466484. Next, there are vacancies from HDFC Bank. They are hiring for the position of RBBTA service position, and you please check with the job description provided here. And interested candidates, you can visit this website link and get more detailed information about this job position. Next, there is a vacancy for GS teacher for all competitive exams. It is from Military Defense Academy located in Lucknow location. So it's a part-time job, 4 hours per week. Interested candidates, you can contact with the given phone number, that is 9451223016. Next, there are some vacancies from HDFC Bank. They are hiring for the position of RBB BM service position. So it is from Lucknow location. You please check with the job description and as well as the responsibilities needed for this position. Interested candidates, you can visit this website link and you'll get more detailed information about this position. Next, there is another vacancy from the same bank, HDFC Bank. They are hiring for the position of RBB PBWD service position located in Lucknow location. You please check with the job description provided here, and interested candidates, you can visit this website link and you will get more detailed information about this job opening. Next, there is a vacancy for telecalling executive from Rice Group Private Limited located in Lucknow location. They are offering a salary for this position is 6,000 to 8,000 rupees per month. You please check with the all required skills and the responsibilities needed for this position. They have provided here the address details. Interested candidates, you can contact them with the given address details. Next, there is a vacancy for receptionist from Innovation Indian Corporation. It is for female candidates. They are offering a salary for this position is 8,000 to 10,000 rupees per month. Coming to skills, you should be having knowledge on Microsoft Office, multi-line phones, conflict resolution, customer service, highly organized, multitasking. So these are the skills needed, and you have to check with the all responsibilities needed for this position. Interested candidates, you can approach them with the phone number, that is 052241 28888. Next, there is a vacancy for front desk receptionist position from Patsla Management Private Limited. They are offering a salary for this position is 10,000 to 15,000 rupees per month. It is for female candidates. Qualification will be any graduate. You please check with the all responsibilities needed for this position. Interested candidates, you can contact them with the phone number, that is 6389291752. Next, there is a vacancy for computer operator from Medaj Techno Concept Private Limited located in Lucknow location, and data entry operator required, having knowledge of MS Excel with good typing skills. It's a full-time job. Freshers can be eligible to apply for this position, so you can contact with the given phone number, that is 8090454694. Next, there is a vacancy for accounts executive position. It is from Roundpay Techno Media Private Limited. Tally ERP9, this is the skill needed for this position. It's mandatory. They are offering a salary for this position is 8,000 rupees. You should be having knowledge on computer and having knowledge of Tally ERP9 is must. Freshers are welcome. Typing speed will be 40 WPM. So interested candidates, you can contact them with the given phone number, that is 7380308115. Next, there is a vacancy for receptionist position from Global Technology and Outsourcing. They are offering a salary for this position is 6,500 to 8,000 rupees per month. You should be responsible for greeting clients and visitors to their office, manage their front desk on a daily basis, and perform a variety of administrative tasks. So you please check with the responsibilities mentioned here and all the skills needed here. You please check with the all detailed information. Interested candidates, you can approach them with the phone number, that is 8114066663. If you like the video, please like, share to your friends and family members, and subscribe the channel for more updated videos, and please encourage us to do more videos in your location. Thank you for watching the video.